We had 18 months to develop a car.
Hello everyone, this week I am stoked to be bringing you a professional with close to 2 decades of very diverse experience in manufacturing Formula One, aerospace, and hypercar composite components. Mr. Ben Szczypek has served as a supervisor for the premier composite technologies in Dubai, as a production manager for Brick Kiln Composites, as a production controller for Arrival, and is currently the head of composites at Zenvo Automotive, which is the Danish hypercar manufacturer, which since 2007 has steadily aimed to make ripples in the hypercar market. Now, what are we going to actually see in this very interview? This interview is a reflection basically of Ben's 20-year-long professional career, how he strategized, how he gained increased responsibility, how he himself had to evolve along with the nature of composites, the technological advancements of composites. How does Ben efficiently lead his team? What are the challenges basically in a company that's newborn? Zenvo just turned 15 years old and they just announced their second line of hypercar, the Aurora. So this interview aims to answer all these questions under the umbrella of offering guidance, insights, and advice towards the young generation of aspiring students and engineers who wish to enter the industry. At this point, Ben, I want to sincerely thank you for allocating your valuable time and allowing us an insight into how you've operated for the past 20 years. What's the reality for working in Zenvo, and for offering your expertise and advice so that we can make more educated decisions along the journey of our careers. On the side, I want to mention that this interview holds a very special place in my heart. I vividly remember when I first saw the Zenvo TS1 on Top Gear, and I was always wondering, what's the reality of the engineers behind the line? I don't just want to see the drivers. I want to talk to the engineers, see how they are able to create these masterpieces of cars. And now I have this opportunity, so I just hope you enjoy this interview as much as I did.
If we talk technically, of course, to the depth you can and you're comfortable with, could you talk to me about maybe superficially about the projects you're involved with, and what is basically the outcome that you want from this role?
You may well have seen the release of the TRS GT.
Mhm.
I'm now in charge of getting all of the composite parts for that car, for all, the three of them that are all sold out already before they was even announced. I'm responsible for getting those laminated, fitted to the car, into paint, and then assisting with the build team, making sure it's pushing that through. I've taken this opportunity to try and put some of the knowledge that I've that I've gotten from the Formula One industry and try and put it into the parts on this car.